Starting kindergarten can be an exciting yet overwhelming experience for both you and your child. In order to help alleviate some of the worries involved with the process, the Mill Creek Township School District will once again be offering pre-registration for students entering kindergarten in the fall of 2012. Pre-registration will be held at all 7 elementary schools during the month of April. However, each building will hold just one pre-registration day. For your convenience, each registration day will be comprised of 2 sessions, one in the morning and one session in the evening. The morning session will run from 9:30 until 11:30 a.m. The evening session will run from 5 until 7 o'clock p.m. As a parent or guardian, you only need to attend one of the sessions. The pre-registration days begin on Wednesday, April 11th and continue through April 25th. Here is a schedule of when you can register at your school. Asbury Kindergarten pre-registration will be on Tuesday, April 24th, and Bell Valley's will be held on Wednesday, April 25th. Chestnut Hill is scheduled for Thursday, April 19th. Grandview's kindergarten registration is Tuesday, April 17th, with Ridgefield Elementary held on Thursday, April 12th. Tracy Elementary is Wednesday, April 18th, and Vernondale's is April 11th. Again, each registration day will consist of 2 sessions for your convenience, 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. and 5 to 7 p.m. If you absolutely cannot attend the regularly scheduled kindergarten pre-registration day at your school, you may pre-register your child at the Mill Creek Education Center beginning Monday, April 30th. The Mill Creek Education Center is located at 3740 West 26th Street. Registration hours are 8:30 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. and 2 o'clock until 3:30 p.m. Monday through Thursday. Remember, in order to be eligible for kindergarten in the fall of this coming school year, your child's 5th birthday must be on or before September 1st, 2012. There will be no exceptions to this requirement. When you come to register, be sure you have the following documentation. Failure to provide these documents will only delay our ability to enroll your child in the Mill Creek Township School District. You will need your child's original birth certificate, a copy of up-to-date immunization records, and proof of residency, which must include a deed, mortgage, tax bill, or lease for residents, a utility, water, sewer, or cable bill for residents, and a driver's license or Pennsylvania photo ID with residence address. Registration brochures and packets are available at all elementary schools as well as the Mill Creek Education Center located at 3740 West 26th Street. You can also find these documents on our website at www.mtsd.org. Simply click on Parent Resources and then follow the link to kindergarten registration. To help speed up the registration process, it is highly recommended that you complete all required registration forms and information before coming in to register your child. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact your neighborhood elementary school or the Central Registration Office at 835-5312. We are happy to welcome you and your family to the Mill Creek Township School District.